What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. I hit a snowbank and my antenna decided to break off, so I'm going to show you how we change out this antenna and the base here on a 1991 Suburban. Tools I'm going to be using are a crescent wrench, wire cutters, small flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and maybe some electrical tape. If this video helps you out, give it a like. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood. This wire right here is the antenna. It doesn't run down through the fender or anything at all, so first thing we're going to do is grab this small flathead. And if you need to, pry this up here on the ends. Put it in between the base and this plastic piece. You don't want to pry against your fender. Now there's a couple Phillips screws in here. We're going to go ahead and pull those out. And as you can see, it fishes from here over to here. I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to feed it out this way, and I'm going to cut it. And then the plan is to tape it to this, and we'll pull it back through. That's where the electrical tape comes in. We're just going to slide it on down there. Pulling it while we feed it in. Grommet here with a hole that's pretty small. I'm not sure if it's going to fit. We might have to pull that out. Kind of see it there. You can also reach your hand in here to help push it out. There we go. Maybe. Come on. Right here. I have to use a screwdriver to pop that out. Maybe if I can get all this tape off, it might fit. But that was how we handed it through anyway, so I guess it helped. You might be able to do it without it. Come on, it's so close. Oh, man. Come on. Oh, there we go. And plug it in. After you get them all started, snug them up. Now we're going to pop this plastic back on. There we go. And then tighten your new antenna. I think this one came off a Ford van. They're all pretty similar. It's got the extra spiral wire on it. And then just snug it up a little bit. And that's it. High five, you did it.